What's up, everyone? Today we're going to talk about how you can utilize your Robinhood exchange and deposit directly into Moonshot. If you're not familiar with Moonshot, there's some videos within this tutorial how to set up your account on Moonshot, but Moonshot's one of the most user-friendly platforms to buy your favorite Solana meme coin. When you log into Moonshot, it's going to prompt you right here, and there's a home button. As you can see, we're going to go over to the holdings page, and we're going to click on the deposit button. And you can do it a few different ways. You can deposit using cash or Solana. Click on the cash option if that's what the path you wish to go. And there's going to be a drop down. As you can see, you can do it Apple Pay, credit debit card, Robinhood, Coinbase, Venmo, PayPal, and crypto. So for the purpose of the video, we're going to do Robinhood and we click in right there. Let's say we want to do $10 in cash directly from our Robinhood account. We put the amount that we want to deposit from our Robinhood account into cash and we swipe to deposit. And there you have it. It's going to bring up a prompt here at the bottom. Currently within my Robinhood account, it looks like I have about $19.82 of available cash that I can transfer over, and that's what's reflecting in buying power. Another option would be if you just didn't want to touch that buying power, let's say I wanted to deposit $100, I could do it directly through my debit card or bank that's linked to my Robinhood account. But for the purpose of the video, we're going to do click review order. And it's going to bring up the payment methods, buying power, network Solana. This is my Solana address that's attached to my Moonshot account. Also, 1 USDC equals $1, a small network fee, confirm, and submit. And there you have it. This will pop up. It'll ask you to verify it is you, to check your Robinhood app. It'll send you a notification. So you want to go into your Robinhood app and verify it's you. I have done that. So now it's going to say it's recognized my device. It approves me. And now we need to just submit that transaction. And our funds are on our way. And it's easy as that to deposit from your from your Robinhood exchange to your Moonshot account. Now it's going to take about 2 minutes and 48 seconds, it says, to actually hit my account. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll be right back with you. There you have it. The deposit's complete. $10 was added to our balance. We can explore Moonshots and you can see our balance has increased by $10. We can click over to holdings, go to deposit, and you can see now our cash, which was $30 before we started this video, is now up to $40. I want to give another way that you can deposit Solana. So you can actually deposit Solana directly from your Robinhood account as well. So let's say I want to do $25 worth of Solana. So we click Solana, $25 from Robinhood, swipe to deposit, very similar steps as we just went through. And that's going to equate to about 0.12 Sol. Since our buying power is a little bit less, I'm going to have to go here and go through my Visa debit card. So I'm going to be buying Solana with the debit card that's connected to my Robinhood account. Review order. I'm going to be payment methods, going to be the Visa debit card, network Solana. 1 Sol is trading about $216.18. Small network fee, confirm, and submit. It's going to give us the same prompts that we went through for the most recent deposit. And there you have it. The deposit's complete. $25.76 has been added to my account. Explore Moonshots. Go over here to holdings. Go to deposit, and you're going to be able to see that my Solana balance is now up to 0.19 Sol. So we added that extra 0.12. One quick call out for everybody. My Robinhood account is connected. So once I kind of signed in through my Robinhood account, through my Moonshot account, I didn't have to do it again. So when you actually go and click on Robinhood for the first time, they're going to ask for your user ID and password. And then that information should be stored. And it's as easy as that to utilize your Robinhood exchange or deposit into your Moonshot account.